Hey guys, today we are going to make a funnel or what's known as a one-page website using Framer, ChatGPT, GoHighLevel, and Lovable. Why is this blurring? I don't know. Ignore. Okay, first thing we're going to do is look at some Framer templates to see what kind of layout we want. Let's go to all template categories. I'm just going to pick a random one that I like. It doesn't have to necessarily fit your industry. If it does, great, better. Sometimes it won't though. So just pick a, website template that appeases you. I know a lot of my followers are people in the marketing industry. So let's go ahead and choose a marketing template. Let's choose... Let's do this one. So what we want to do is we want to actually grab the link for this template. So let's go ahead and open the preview. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like the custom code in the back. Cute. Let's use this. And so next we are going to go to ChatGPT. And what we want to do is we want ChatGPT to give us a prompt for Lovable, and we're going to give ChatGPT the Framer template URL so it understands the layout and what kind of copy needs to be changed. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of voice talk what I want the copy to be. I'll be right back. So real quick, your prompt for ChatGPT to give you a prompt for Lovable can be a little bit longer than this. I'm going to show you how great it is with just a very short, simple prompt. You always want to put the Framer template URL here, and then just a little bit about what you want your funnel to be, what the CTA is, and what the value of your offer is as well. So let's go ahead and send that. And so then what we're going to do is take this entire prompt, and we're going to go to Lovable. You can do this for free on Lovable. If you want to host this website with your domain, I think it's like $25 a month. Super cheap. You can optimize your SEO in a click of a button once you're done with the design and the copy. And I find it really easy to use Lovable for hosting the website in general. Quickly, you can take the HTML and you can go back to GoHighLevel and you can, paste that into the funnel builder and do it that way. But I've done that before, and every time GoHighLevel comes out with a new update or something, part of my website is missing, and then you have to go back, edit the code, and I don't have time for that. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's not terrible, but I have super high expectations for Lovable because I use it all the time. But this is a pretty great website for 5 minutes of building, right? This is definitely something you can give to your clients, and it's super easy to edit. So I just told Lovable, check the Framer template again. I want the same CSS code and layout as that Framer template. And it is right now editing this entire funnel. And I'm going to come back and show you what hopefully the final product is. Okay, and this edit took about 2 minutes. I'm much more pleased. I'll show you the full preview here. Let me make myself smaller. Okay, so this is, I'm going to go with it. If I wanted to sit here for a little bit longer and nitpick, which I would. But again, this is pretty amazing for 7 minutes now. And this is definitely something, a client would be super excited about. And so next what we want to do is we want to publish this. So we'll just go back to Lovable and we want to click publish. And what you can do is you can add your custom domain here. If you're using GoDaddy, it's really simple. It will add all the DNS records automatically for you. I'm not going to connect it right, but once you do and you press continue, you'll be able to upload the icon and title, the description, your social image. So when you're sending this to someone, there's a little preview kind of similar to this, and then we can go ahead and publish. Okay, and now our app or funnel is live, And there's just one more golden nugget I want to show you is this little button. This usually pops up every time you create a website or a funnel, but it's called Review Your SEO. And this is amazing. Like if you're in the SEO, AEO business, be scared of this. This is so incredible. I use this for all of my funnels and all of my websites, and I swear I get views way easier, way faster, and way more recommendations for like AI search using this specific feature with Lovable. Again, you can spend so much time in Lovable. This is why it's called vibe coding. And so what this is going to do is it's going to show you like kind of like an audit of your SEO and your AI search. And then you can just click try to fix all. So it's going to do this for you. Another tip, if you are a business owner and you're running ads for yourself, that's awesome. I think everyone should be, looking into running ads for themselves. If you're running ads to your website, you're wasting money. I'm just going to tell you that right now. You need a funnel. Your ad needs to match your funnel. You need to have one CTA. You need to be talking about one offer on your funnel. And everything needs to move and flow together so that the lead stays interested. They have one call to action. They know exactly what kind of website or funnel they're going to be going to after they click on your ad. And that's where you're going to get the highest conversions. Also for tracking purposes as well, you always want to use a funnel. And so there you have it. If you like this video, if you learned something, if you think this is cool, you're going to try it, drop a comment below, subscribe, like, do all the things for me. And if there's anything else that I missed or you want me to elaborate on, just go ahead and drop a comment, and I will see you guys next time.